Well, tonight's car meet turned out really well. The new location brings more cars to our car meets on Friday night. Enjoyed it very much. We had some fun. Some really nice cars showed up. Did a little video on the cars that showed up tonight so you all can see what our car meets look like here at in Leesville, Louisiana. Uh, yeah, I'm sorry. I know I look a little rough right now. I hadn't shaved in a few days, but I hope y'all liked the video. Um, if you like what you see, please subscribe, like my videos, and I'll see y'all next time.